Hello, so today we're going to be unboxing a Cattleya primary hybrid. So I ordered this hybrid from Jewell Orchids on eBay, and this was sent through USPS priority mail, 2-day priority mail, which I usually don't have an issue with. However, this order was sent out on the 12th and it didn't get here till today, which is the 19th. So a little longer than I expected. However, at the beginning of lockdown, I did order an Angraecum dahlia from LA Orchid John, and they went through a sort of similar extended shipping process, and it came back fine. So when USPS does hold your package as longer than they should, I usually find that the orchids are not, they haven't been mistreated or kept in the cold or anything like that. And actually I have another orchid that I sent out. Now this is an orchid I shipped to a friend. And I sent that out and it went from Ventura to LA, now it's in Texas, and now it's coming back to be shipped to somebody in LA, which is kind of annoying, but I'm guessing it's a busy time of year for them. So packed in newspaper, and then it's in this plastic bag, which I don't know if I'm going to be a fan of because it's not going to let any moisture escape out into the paper and into the cardboard box. So this is making me a little bit nervous, but we're going to see how things fared. Yeah, and the package is wet, so I hope I don't have to ask for a replacement because this is a really special primary hybrid that I wanted to get. Okay, it's fine. Yay! Ooh, yeah! Look! It has a nice new growth. Here, let me move this stuff. Okay, so this here is Cattleya schilleriana Cattleya schilleriana crossed with Cattleya intermedia. And I was actually caught in between getting a Cattleya bicolor crossed with schilleriana or a Cattleya intermedia crossed with schilleriana, and I ended up going with the intermedia because I have an intermedia and I know it's a vigorous grower. And this cross was made with a non-polaric intermedia, and I've heard that the polaric intermedias don't have much of a fragrance, but the non-polaric ones do have much more of a fragrance. So that's why I got this one. And as you can see, it's like very small. It's maybe like 3 inches tall, like from the base of the pseudobulb to the top right here. So not very big at all, which is great because at this point in my collection, I'm only collecting miniature orchids because I have over 100 orchids, and I don't know, I just think miniatures are better, and I do want to start, once I get my orchids finally acclimated, I do want to start making crosses, and I want to make small fragrant crosses. So I hope this is going to be a good one. Like I said, Jewell Orchids, apparently they have a website, but I bought this on their eBay page, so you can do either or. This is a Bertheauana, I think that's how you say the name. Anyways, thank you for watching this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.